Something. Hello. Can I say hi to you? Yeah. All right. Look at you. What are you doing here? Walk in. And all right.
These officers had zero experience rescuing horses.
Come here. Come here.
But body cam video shows two cops and a farm worker frantically trying to save a horse that just will not budge from a Pennsylvania barn going up in flames.
Right here, Richard Wilbanks saves his dog from the jaws of an alligator.
He just came out from under the water like a missile coming out and grabbed gun and went right back in the water with it. You know, it all happened so fast.
Watch again as Richard wrestles Gunner out of the alligator's mouth while never losing the cigar from his. The King Charles Cavalier Spaniel scampering off with just a single puncture wound.
Подтягивает, а? Не жгет ему ничего, что ему обожгет, вы кого говорите?